Just a walk around to the plow truck. We got a 8-foot Western plow. I think this is a uni mount. It's not the newest style, it's a little bit older. We got these wings off of Amazon. I'm out here in my Crocs right now, trying to shoot something before I have to go out later on when it's a little more heavy. Got the Crocs on. You know, you ain't rocking if you ain't crocking. The only issue I've had with these is this rubber should be sitting on top of this. When you go up against curbs, if you're doing like a turn or something, it kicked it off and I just need to line it back up. So yep, these got markers on them. Just running a dump truck. We keep salt back here and a little walk behind spreader. So it lights up really nice at night. It's got a beeper on it for when we're backing up in some of our parking lots. But yeah, this is what we run. It pushes snow really good, rolls it really good. Thought about putting a rubber piece up here, but that's just, I haven't had any problems kicking it up to the radiator at all, so haven't really done it yet. We do have a salt spreader on order. It's going to be a hitch mount. It'll go in there, and then that way I'll run with the tailgate off, and we'll go do it that way. But that just hasn't come in yet, sadly. It didn't get here before the snow came. So just figured I'd show y'all what we're working with before we go push. Good morning, everybody. We're out here bright and early. It's about 4 a.m. right now. Just getting the truck cleaned up, cleaned off. About to go out and start hitting some stuff. Hitting all of our residentials. There's a grandstand with the plow on it, 2 salters, got a snowblower too. Hooking the trailer up right now. I need to pull forward just a little bit. We ended up getting a pretty decent amount, as you can see kind of from the top of the truck there. That's what we're working with. It's good. It's real wet and heavy on the bottom, but it should still push pretty good. That's what we're pushing, and it's wet and heavy, so it makes it a little bit worse, but we'll get it done. This is just my alley. I just do it for my own convenience, so we'll set this up. I'll be coming back this way and hopefully get some good roll, but with how wet it is, it might just stay packed.